Well, good morning. It's a wavy out here today. We're getting ready to get over up here to the Gulf Stream, so it's a little bit shaky. But it's a good night. Really slow. So here's a little bit of what's going on out here. Doing about 8 knots right now. It's doing pretty good. So just got following seas pushed up behind us. Get pretty big at times, but look here, a couple of big ones right there. Really hard to see at the camera, but big trough right there. Yeah. So it's warmed up a little bit. It's not as cold as it was last night. Water temperature's coming up quite a bit too. It's up in 72 degrees. So just gonna keep chugging along here and see how it goes.